The Trotters have reached the backstretch, and they are underway. Royal Assets on the inside, leading along with Coffeecake Hanover. Slight edge Coffeecake Hanover now to Dream On, joins the fray out 3 wide, just a half length back of the leader. Far outside, Frau Blucher out 3 wide, moves up to 4th, and bouncing backs at the pylons, and Thistle Do is parked for the moment as the trailer. They're within 4 lengths from front to back as To Dream On comes wheeling up past Coffeecake Hanover to take over the lead around the first turn. The quarter 26-3 for the Trotters. To Dream On, coming off that big win in the Kentucky Futurity, has the lead now by 1.5 lengths with Jimmy Tactor in the bike. Coffeecake Hanover hanging with her at the moment. It's a mean pace she's setting here. Big gap to Royal Assets trotting 3rd. Then comes Frau Blucher, the 3-5 favorite, 4th right now for Ron Pierce. After that, bouncing backs in from New York, and Thistle Do trails. Nobody made a move on the front stretch. They hit the half 54-1, 27-3 second panel. To Dream On, not getting cheated out there, just blistering on the front end. Coffeecake Hanover just a length back, staying right with her, and Frau Blucher. Now Ron Pierce pushes the button. Frau Blucher comes up first over and starts to pick him off about 2 lengths away. Royal Assets still saving ground. Now second over, bouncing backs coming to life for Howard Parker, and at the back Thistle Do. They've all got a shot here as Frau Blucher comes right up to the neck of To Dream On. 3/4, 123 even. They slowed the 3rd panel down to 28-4, but still Frau Blucher takes a slight lead now on To Dream On, who has to dig in. Following the live cover, bouncing backs, getting ready to spin out wide. Coffeecake Hanover looking for room. Top of the stretch, Frau Blucher takes over the lead now. Outside, bouncing backs. Coffeecake Hanover coming on strong on the outside. It's Frau Blucher and Coffeecake Hanover. Coffeecake Hanover. Matt Kakaley gets up for Coffeecake Hanover at 10-1. Frau Blucher second. Photo for the 3rd spot between Royal Assets and Thistle Do, and Coffeecake Hanover springs the surprise in 152-4.
Holly, this one finished 5 lengths back.